Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to this recorded live session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, that's why I put timestamp in the description so you could skip to the part that interests you. Also, if you want to know exactly when I'm streaming, go visit twitch.tv/fboucher. But for now, let's watch this session. Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to the stream. I hope you have a great day. It's new schedule. So I think people are not yet used to it, and it's fine. So it means we'll have more time for us. I don't know for you, but here today it's a cloudy day, so perfect to do some Azure stuff. What else? Yeah, it's super busy week. Tons of things that arrive. I forgot. I have. Let me see if I can. Not sure. I have it somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't find it. Damn. Where's the link? I thought it was this. It's not that. Maybe this. And yes. Cool. So let me share the screen. I had a typo, that's why I was not present. So on Friday, I might, though I think I'm good. I think I will still stream from here, not on the road. However, I will be in Montreal for part of the day because it's the beginning of this Pride hack. I'm a mentor in the hackathon that is happening on Saturday, the 10th of August in Montreal. It's a free event if you want to participate, if you are around Montreal. There's a bunch of really interesting projects, and yeah, I'm very excited to go there and help. Hey, Copper Birdie, how are you? Oh, what's that? I like your Insta Hi. Really cool emote. Very nice. So today, we're starting a new project. We explore a little bit on the last stream. I'm not sure yet. I think we need to refine or fine-tune what we exactly want about that. I want something in my mind. I just want to add it to the power tool. So let me go in this repository. Everything is on GitHub. Where is it? Where is it? Azure Power Tools. There it is. So right now I have one tool, a PowerShell script that nuke your subscription. Like here you have a bunch of stuff and you just want to erase everything. You run that script. It will clean that up for you. But I thought, maybe we want to have something a little bit more smart. There's plenty of solution out there, but you need to pay. So I thought it could be interesting to have something just like when you turn on the lights here, it's getting warm. I thought it could be interesting to have a tool that delete only a few things. Let's say you're running a demo for a client or anything, and you could set an expire date on that resource group or on some resources, and then you can just forget about it. You have something that pass and clean it up for you after. If you didn't specify anything, then nothing will happen. So you don't risk to lose resources. I would like to have something that is deployable from the portal, like with the deploy to Azure button. So I think it's possible to have that deploying maybe a function or maybe automation. I think it's automation that execute a script. I would prefer doing it in Azure CLI. This way, I will be sure that the script could run just by itself also. If it's not possible, then we'll fall back on PowerShell. And that's not because I think Azure CLI is more powerful than PowerShell. Azure CLI, yeah. Just that I've been using Azure CLI for a little while, so I'm a little bit more comfortable over there. But today there's no big difference since PowerShell could also be running on Linux and Mac. So yeah, so today I want to start working our queries or script. Right now I'm focusing on the script, having it, do what we want, and we'll see how it goes. Hey Kelvin, how are you? Happy to see you. How was your week? Is it getting better? I think you sent me something. I didn't have the chance to check. I'm jumping from one meeting to the other. I just got lucky. I was able to do my setup because the meeting I was in before ended earlier than expected. So I had more time for me. They gave me time back. So yeah, so planning to do that. So we can start, right? And let's keep that view for now. Kind of cool, I think. If we need more space, yeah, I watched not long. Like I went there once. She was opening a huge teddy bear. So the other time, like I jumped in. Like she's all online a lot of time. What was it? I think it was a bunch of sentences. People were having fun with the chatbot. Yeah. A lot was happening, but I didn't understand, and I didn't have a lot of time. Like a lot of stuff was happening, so it's I need to get back and give her more time. But time is not a thing that I have a lot these days, so we'll see. But definitely, like I'm still following her. I'm definitely going back to see more of it. So yeah, so we have this. So I explained the project, but I forgot to mark it. So it was, I don't know, let's put the O5. Explain the project. Porn jack, yep. Like that. I read it in English, it will be better. Cool. And now we are about to start. Explore the queries. Let's put it 14. Whoops. Thanks for the following, Voodoo Ray. Nice to see you. Looking forward to see you in the chat. We're building an application or a script for now to keep our subscription clean. And the music is a little bit loud on my side. I don't know for you. If the music is good on your side, let me know. Explore the queries. Resource queries. Azure queries. Cool. So the goal is to what I want to do is be able to list expired resources. That's my goal. And once we have that, we could delete the expired resources, and it would be nice to also send a notification, right? Saying, yeah, I deleted this. I think in the future version it could be interesting to say, to maybe have like notification days or something like that. So hey, tomorrow I will be deleting this, or like in 2 days I will be deleting those. This could be interesting, I think. But for now, keeping it simple, I want to list the expired resources. I think we'll already, with that, we'll have some challenges and deleted them. That should be kind of easy. We'll see. And send notification with list of expired. Anything that I should add in there? I think it makes sense, right, to get started. I think it's good. Oh, I should add you right away, Voodoo, in the new follower section. No, follower? Yeah, follower. There it is. There it is. Cool. I think we're good to go. So let's already clone the repo on my Oh, thanks for the subscription, Calvin. Let me put you in the subscription. This is really nice to you. It's really appreciated. So, subscriber. This is awesome. Thank you. So, Voodoo Ray asks, do you need to capture any error that might happen? It's, you know what? It's always a good idea. So, you know what? Let's add that. Definitely not doing it as we get started, because I'm assuming we'll need to send it or save it somewhere. And right now, I don't know where I would do that. If I'm assuming if I'm running inside automation, that to be honest, I never play with automation. I did a bunch of schedule stuff with Logic App or Function. And that's a reason why I want to use automation, because I never played with it. And I think I don't need all the extra toolings just to execute a script. I think automation is more the good tool for that specific job. Is more like, you know, cron job, run this thing at that time, every whatever. So that's why I want to do it that way. So I'm assuming there are some kind of logs there. Like we'll see. Like, but for today at least, except if everything works like super snappy, I don't think we'll get done with the script in 2 hours. But yeah, good catch, good call. No, not good catch, good call, Voodoo Ray. Thanks. So let's. Whoops. I want to close this folder. Don't need it. What I want to go is in Power Tools. Come on. Oh, I am in Power Tools. Cool. So that's the project. I should put it in the note, and I will put it in the chat. It's been a while since last year I updated the PowerShell script. So I think it's cool that I revisit that thing. Keep it fresh, reference. Like always, if you would like to participate, you're welcome. You cannot. You just have to forward the repo, do a PR, ping me on Discord. If you don't know the Discord, just bang Discord in the chat. You have the URL. Feel free to reach out. I will be happy to add you on the GitHub, and we can brainstorm and work together. If you would like to have this tool going a specific way, we can do that. I want that tool to be useful, so great. Going back to the other one. Cool. So PowerShell extension, not for now. Okay. So that's the PowerShell tool. So what I would like to do now is to add I always forget how I call that. Let's call it dev.azcli. So now I could do in it az search and then what was it again? I've been rusty. Oh, I think I had the URL. Did I put the URL in the previous notes? I didn't, huh? That's unfortunate. Well, we'll have a look. So Azure search query. Perfect. That's exactly the URL I was looking for. Nope. Quick start. Oh no, this is not what I wanted. Simple query, Azure search. No. What? Is it Azure search? Azure graph, I think. Ah. Okay, Azure graph query. Okay. I knew it. I didn't know it. And now I'm the wrong. So if I run this like that. So I have the extension. Let's display. If you're new to the stream, I have this extension, fabulous extension called Azure CLI tool that gives me the capability to do. I have auto completion in Visual Studio, and then I can execute the current line. It's pretty cool. It's Azure CLI tool. So I just execute that query, and now I have those things. Projects, I don't know what they are. Okay, now let's go in. I need to let's open the portal. I think I didn't delete the resources from last stream. So we have I have the to delete, and we have the test dog deploy. That could be cool to use. And did I put some tags on that? No. Let's go in the... We change the name. Export template. Just try to see if I see anything with the tags. I think it was display name by default. Though that thing was created by me. So there's probably no tags. Because I scaffold the thing and I didn't put any tag, right? Keep it short and clean. Yes. So no tags in that one. Okay. We can add one. You know what? Let's add one. So we'll go back in overview. Oh, am I? Oh, yeah. Resource group. I need to go at the resource group level. There it is. And now I do the export template. But I'm pretty sure I didn't put any... Or maybe, yeah, maybe. Tags, display name. We'll try to see if we can list some stuff. So let's go with... you know what, list me the project name and the type where I think it's tags, and then I need to put like this. I'm not sure of the syntax with the tags, and that's where last time it was not working very well. So let's try this. Should have done it clear. Okay, so invalid query. Okay. What if I put like this? Maybe I should put display tag. Contain, I don't know, hack. No. Oh, you know what? Let's where display name, and we'll put something very specific because I'm not sure yet of the syntax for the no, that's not the one I want. This one, right? Okay, so let's run it again. pretty sure it was that. You know what, let me just go in here. Oh, sorry, the cam is not showing up. Let's go here. Just want to check if I had something. I'm assuming, like, should I put the conditioning inside? What I'm missing? So I want to do a search with this and tags. How do you query tags? Oh, is it project tags? This list, like, you know what? Let's have some fun and do this right away. No, I don't wanna run that. So display name, that will be what is showing up. Ooh, that's very long. So project tags. Was it just because the column name is project tabs? Nope. Nope. I think it's table. I feel like it's a table, right? Let's clean it. Yeah. I think I could just do Azure list and loop through, but I think okay, so let me explain. The reason why I'm using Azure Graph is because I could in one shot do multiple subscription, but maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I should just do a Azure resource list or like group list and check the tags of the group. No, if I do AZ group and list, I have that, right? And I have tags there. Could just go like this. But the reason I was looking for using Azure Graph Query is this way I could ask just for those instead of looping through each of them. So instead of having my script looping, it's Azure looping through the resources. Okay, so project tags summarized. So if I do this, what happened? So inside tags, so tags is a list. That makes sense. So it means I need to loop through all of them. List all tags names. What's summarized build schema? So it's tags, it's not project tags. Cool. And I feel like I should ask, okay, so I may be, I think I was correct with this thing, like, give me where there's a display name tag. I should have, I think did I? Nope. Should have cleared. Let's try this, and after that I will continue reading. Yeah, okay, it's not working. We'll get there. Eventually we'll get there. Like, you know, let's try to run this. Well, he says it was not working. So it may not be working, right? Oh. It is, but I don't see any tags. Why? Readability API app and F Boucher. Let's remove the limits. I need to put a shortcut to clean the thing. Ah, okay. Okay, so now I have stuff, but I don't see the tags. But that was also the questions, right? Okay, so it's not working. Though if I don't change the output, and honestly, that's fine with me, because I won't read it anyway. But how can I query to get only specific tags? So now what if I say where tags dot value? I don't know. How do you query specific tags? Ooh. Coffee was hot.
Holding hands, running wild and free. Crossed our hearts, said we'd never let go. I still think about our younger days, how we dreamed about a better life. Holding you so close to me.
Oh.
In the backseat of your ride. We fell
I know, Sam. Sam, did you do what I want to do?
like I remember you. Like I remember you.
Aha. We can view the type and the location of the resource and use easily. One thing that is much harder, and of course I picked that one, should have a zoom like effect, is grouping by owner or for purposes of resource. One way to do is to implement tags in your environment that denote these sort of things, which make much easier query information. For example, the owner could be a tag. Why work for him? Work for him, it didn't work for me. Let's search the tags I created that was expired on. Can I do to string? Maybe if I do this, it will work. Oh, sorry, no. I just forgot. I picked the wrong. I created a bunch of new scenes, and am I dropping frame again today? Damn, look like I'm dropping frame. I need to investigate that. So now you see my screen, right? And what's this? That's the wall. Oh, should move my green screen. Like this? That's better. Okay, so I ask in a table and it returned this. Oh no, it returned this, and we have. Ooh, we're getting closer. Okay, let's run it again, and let's. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Great, great, great. So, tag display name. If I turn it into a string, because before it was an object, right? Tags is a list. So now we have it. Yeah, I have a green screen now. Oh, did you miss that the other day? Like if I go in my other... No, not that one. That one. That one I did something special where I could just, you know, reach out in the chat window. Just for fun. Going out. Not sure we'll keep that view. Like I need to play around more. I did that Monday before the stream, kind of play around a little bit. I don't know. Oh, well, like this, I think you see more. The code is in better shape this way. Let's put it that way. Okay, so now we see the thing. We see the thing, though I don't see expire. Oh no, like I don't see expire on because I didn't pick that one. So now, okay, so this is all wrong, right? No. What I could do is change. This is strange music. Did I say something? Yeah, well, I changed my schedule this week, so if I go on Twitch, on my schedule, so like this thing here, depending on where you are, it will adapt to what you see. Like the time will be based on your time slot. So for me this week I will be streaming up to, and I may keep that. I may go down to only 2 streams a week also. My schedule changed. I changed teams, and yeah, I have a lot of work. Not that I didn't have enough work before, but now we are preparing an event, so. And Friday will be in the morning, at least for me, morning. So anyway, so if we go back in here, what I would like to do is when display time is like that. Hey, bonjour, bonjour Michel. Michael, how are you? I missed your stream yesterday completely. I'm like I was saying, I'm so flooded with work these days. I barely. So I saw some. Where is it? Some regex. I don't want to go fancy. I just want to. Where was? Nope. I want to keep that one for later. Oh, where it was? Where it was? Regex. Oh no, no. Just start by. Oh, thank you, Copper Birdie. That's very generous from you. So, Michael Jolie, you stick with me for another month. Let's add you right away to the notes. Let's keep you in the loop. Yes, you get your cloud again. And eventually, I will have maybe enough to add more emote. But I think now, like, I think I need more. Not sure I understand. I feel like I need more. Like, I was 15, 10 subscriber to have one more. I'm far, like, just to have an emote. We'll get there. I'm not in a rush. Okay. So, this music is really strange. Let's try to run this one. So let's clear this. So Michael Jolie, what we are doing right now is I'm trying to build a tool to clean up our subscription. Having that running, it will check, for example, if expire on exists in your tags, and if they exist, they will compare the dates saved into the tags, and if they are expired, then they will delete your resources. So we're working on a kind of a power tool to keep our Azure subscription light, and it will be deployable from one click from the GitHub repo. That's the goal. So right now we're just exploring the graph query. Indeed, eh? So let's see if this query works. No, it didn't. Maybe I need then the regex start by okay, where where is it? Is it this? Yes. Do I have some resources that start by that name though? Yeah. Okay. This guy. So I should have the project name, the type, where display names start by ACK. 5 of them. Nope. Interesting. That's my first time, Michael Jolie. Am I getting big enough now that I have trolls coming in? Maybe I should be happy. Well, they're going back soon. My boss trolled me this morning, but I cannot share. Like, I found a name for a website that we'll be creating, and he shared to the team, hey, you know, I create a shorter link for that, but then like the name is like aka.ms and then like Frank blah 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 blah. Like the shortener is very long, but yeah, it was just funny. So why it's okay, you know what, let's first try to catch without the regex. Oh, did I miss some? Hey, anti-pixelated. Hello, welcome to the stream. Okay, so let's try to see. I want to see that one. So let's go and say I want to see this and like this and equal. So does this work? We've got orientation for all our kids tomorrow. Oh, cool. My daughter had a French exam yesterday, so we went to the college and like she had a 2 hours, 3 hours French exam to see if she reached the level. She needed not 60%, she needed more to enter in her whatever. Otherwise, she still get in, but then like she got like a. She need to do a kind of catch-up class just for French. Yeah, so like I saw the new school. It was cool. Just remembering some souvenirs. I went to the cafe and start working from there, hijacking their Wi-Fi. Well, it was open. I was on the guest Wi-Fi. So they start next week, Michael Jolie. Although the query was very long. Next week they start already. My daughter, I think it's in 2 weeks. So Copper Birdie, thankfully I'm past those days. Meaning your kids don't, because you have kids, right? Copper Birdie, I think, or don't. Auto magically. Well, I think it's very reasonable. What I want to do is just trying to do it with simple tools. So Antipixel says, Michael Jolie, nice. Yeah, I haven't played with Azure yet. Mostly Amazon. Well, I'm sure we could tweak it so it could work also on Amazon, but it will be very different though. Like, I don't know, like it's been a while since I played in Amazon. Oh, you have a new keyboard, my Copper Birdie? Which one did you get? Is it a mechanical one? So Michael Jolie, yes, we have French from beginning to the end. Like that's probably like your English. And like my daughter, she's 17, right? So it's like 2 years before university. like at that level they do dissertation and very complex stuff, but she need like 75 or higher, so they use that as a way to sort or triage the students who get in the program. And if you don't make it, then you like, but I think she missed it by 2%, so they decided just make it a recap class for one session, and then like obviously she will pass, and she just, you know, she will have a summer course if she don't want to catch up and be free next year. Copper birdie, 3 stepdaughter and a son, all yep. They should be big enough now to take their own decision. They could still brainstorm with you, right? I remember having great chat with my father and my mother about, yeah, I don't know what I want to do, but I know what I don't want to do. So what's your keyboard, Mr. Copperbirdie? Hey, good evening, Brett Miller. How are you? So Michael Joy says, proud dad moment. We learned yesterday that Lauren, who has 7th grade last year, tested at 10th grade level for all subject during this. What? This is awesome. This is pretty cool. Congrats. Oh, I should like. Yay! This is pretty cool. Bad request. Well, why it's not working? It should work. Do I need this thing, little character block? Maybe I need that. Okay, so Copperbirdie says, Rockcat, you can set the sound feedback when you hit the key. Currently, the key are making what? Laser sound? Okay, we'll have a look over there. Rockcat. I bought a new one too. I bought a Tofu. Kind of a custom build. Oh, the logo will look pretty cool though. Keyboard. Which one is it? Pretty cool. Yeah, I was looking for something like this one. I really like. This is my Ant Pro 2. I really like it. I could change the light, though you may not like. And it's it's wireless Bluetooth. And now I have lights in it. I put only blue, like two kind of blue, and we can play with those. I have another one that I'm selling. I don't like, it's red silence, so this, and if I touch it, any keys, yeah, I'm not sure you will see it. Like there's a bunch of fancy stuff here. It's really cool, and you got the dim on the side. So with that you could turn anything you want. It's clickable. It's a very nice, and it's not light. It's a heavy keyboard. I thought it would be more comfortable, you know. And it was a 10 key less instead of a 60%. Though, like, it's red silence, so it's very nice because quiet. But to type, I don't know. Like I type a lot. I was not sure. Apparently for gamers, they love the red. I'm more a brown guy apparently. Try to catch up. I don't like the drugs. The drugs. What? Ah, about the cocaine. Yeah, these days there's no keyboard without lights. My tofu will be nice too. I'm looking forward to have it. I bought it on fan key, whatever, something like that. So it will take times. I'm expecting border tax, like in the, you know, to get in port. Oh, it will be costly. But did I run it? Yeah, still didn't like it, huh? What if we do this? Can I do tag equal that? And then on the other side, I will do tag, right? Well, let's put my tag, so I know it's mine, it's not a field. Can I do this? Like in SQL? Can I do this? I'm trying to understand how you work. Nope. Okay, let's remove this. Can I do this? I mean, like that. Can I do this? No. This is not funny. Oh, you don't even like that. Because I miss a freaking comma? That's why. I miss a comma. Guys, you should have told me. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Okay. Is it swearing, damn it? Is it safe? Thank you, Michael Jolie, you're so helpful. I'm sending you hugs and love. I missed the chat. Whoop, it was chatting while I was fighting to find my comma, doing, you know, your job. I thought chat was supposed to look for those kind of things. Okay, where? Oh, is that Barry's Blood just arrived in town? Hello! How are you? We're a bunch of friends today. That's nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Is it technically swearing? It is. Oh. My bad. I didn't know. Damn. Oh, Donnie. Yeah. Oh, it is. Okay, well, stop saying it. I thought it was just like a word. That's the thing when you speak another language, the swear, they don't mean anything for you. So you could just, you know, I could throw F-bomb. My F-bomb is also used in French. F-bomb is used in all languages. See, Michael Jolie? I told you we need a comma there. Now it's working. I love it. I can go in the chat like this. See, Michael Jolie? It's working now. Just there. It's working perfectly. Thanks to you. Yeah, like you're also church in English, right? For in French is all the same. It's the tools, all the tools and stuff. That's how we swear in French. Not tools, but things, church things, like the calice, cup. How do you say that in English? Calice, right? So Brett Miller says, I want some Gordy phrases which won't be recognized in most places. You want me to swear in Québécois? Is it what you want? Oh my kid. What? Oh my kid got me quoting a clip of Robert where you say hell. Right. Telling my wife. Is it hell also not okay? Wow. I need to find something. Oh, that's why everybody say heck. But heck start with a H. For me it's a nightmare. Oh, okay, sorry. Geordie. A person from Newcastle upon. Okay. My bad. I thought Gordy like gore, like not good. That was my auto translation application in my frog head. Okay, so it's working. Yep. I remember those years. It was funny. Once my daughter asked, you know, 2 times my daughter when she was younger, like way younger, like story time. Let's go. Like what? No, this story time. So when she was very young, twice it happened. My daughter woke up early in the morning kind of thing and asked to call a grandma, or the second time it was the grandpa. So the first time, let's start with the second time because it's more acceptable. We'll start after with the grandma call. So she asked, hey, I want to call grandpa. So okay, fine. My in-laws, they live more in the wood, kind of far away from any big cities. So of course grandpa is a hunter and like fisher, like he is fishman, and like, you know, like all those sports. So my daughter called him like very early in the morning and hey grandpa, that's it now. You will stop hunting. Now you will eat only salads. And like, I don't know, like she talked up on the phone for at least half an hour, arguing with him. It was so funny. And the first time she did something like that, it was very earlier in the morning, and it sounded urgent in her voice. So that's why we agreed, and we knew the grandma was also like a morning person. So we said, okay, you know, but at 6 a.m. I want to call grandma. So okay, well, call grandma. It was dead morning. She decided to, you know, extend her sleep. she doesn't work, so you know, she could catch up after, though she didn't. And so as soon as Grandma picked the phone, my daughter said, "Oh, Grandma, it's correct now, you can die, I'm fine with it." And that's it. Grandma was not happy with that wake up call. So I don't know, she must have dreamed about something, but we laugh. Oh my god. But yeah, poor Grandma. Like, pass me your mother. It was a thing. We're still talking about it today. Oh. Hey, hello, wow. Oh boy. Elfagia? Am I pronouncing your name correctly? Yeah, try to. Go back to sleep now, like forever. You're right. Poor Grandma. Anyway, okay. So now our query works because we put commas, and this way it's better. So now, cool. Okay, now so we should now try the start with, right? I should do, what was it again? It was match regex, and it was this thing like this. And now let's clear this. Didn't like it. Did I forget that comma again? No. Match. Oh, match. Matches. And it worked! Yay! I need to add extra sounds. Where do you find your sounds? Are you just Googling and downloading MP4? Because whatever I found was like a video file, or it's hard to find just MP3s. And or I don't want to steal them. I want something that is really free. Though I could just record myself doing and I could record. Yeah, so you just Google, find some MP3s, download them, put it somewhere, and like map them to yeah, okay. So it's cool. So now it's solved by hack. Project name. Okay. Like why? Name. Huh, funny thing. I didn't put anywhere. That's why I didn't have the... That's why it's when I removed the where clause, I lost my comma. But like, so it's listing stuff where type. also, I feel like this is wrong. So instead I could do something like this. And by the way, this language is called Kusto. Okay, so this is working. So now now I have all those properties, right? So now I just need to pass what I want. So I could do, now that you return me what I want those things. This guy and limit file. Can I do this? Can I do that? We're getting closer to what we need. Well, not what we need, but because I think like I will need to convert the dates to be able to compare them. I'm not sure. That will be a fun thing also. But I want to play a little bit more. I want to understand more. It's working. Isn't it beautiful? So that's working. I'm definitely I should have blah, 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 like Jeffrey Mr. C# Fritz. Okay, so that's cool. So I want to put that in the notes so I don't forget that query. So notes, and I should put the special note, say don't forget the comma. I won't put that thing. You know what I mean, huh? Hey, you. Okay. This is good. Come on. I wanna go here. I really need to put some kind of okay. Oh yeah, that's another thing I want to do. So what if so this is working, right? If I do this, it return tags blah 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 blah. Can I do this? Yes. It's nice. That's better. So I could do then this. Great. That's wonderful. Okay, we're getting there. Let's play now with the expire on. Let's screw everything up and play with expired on. I think it was that. You know what? Let's just try to. So where blah blah blah. expire on. Like no condition for now. What if I tell you this instead? No, huh? My goal is to return, like, you know what? My goal was to return all the resources that have expire on as a value, but doesn't look like it. Did I delete the query that show all? Yes. Okay, it's not there. Oh, I think I know where I put it. I think I put it at the resource group level. Yes. The thing is, graph doesn't search resource group, I think. Expire on. Yeah. Because if I do this, they return that's clear. Let's run this query. No, okay, it didn't like it either. Where tag display name. Tabular, I want like toString, string cat, top take, blah blah blah, no count. Oh, there's contains and stuff. So could I do where then this is different than nothing? Could I say that? Yeah. Okay, and what if now I go with expire on? It found nothings because it's the resource group. This is sad. Let's add expired on tag on a resource. So let's go in here, and on the web app we'll add a tag. There it is. Let's put a date. I don't care about the date. So now if I do expire on, I should have that thing. Nope. Did I save it? Okay, it was just okay. So it's there. Oh, it catched that I was a date. Oh, this is cool. Yes. What's up? Elfikia. A question? Frank? Yes, it's my name. I'm Frank. I'm Frank Boucher. Or on the internet, Frank. Or my alias is, and that's, oh yeah, I think you were struggling with that yesterday, Michael Jolie. So it's a long story, but a short version of it is, it's F for Frank and then Boucheros. A long time ago, my father had fun and just renamed all of us with Boucheros, just making fun. So it was Don Pedro, it was Francesco de Boucheros. It was just for fun and kind of stick. So yeah, because when I try Frank F Boucher, a lot of time it's taken, and F Boucheros is always available. So I start using that and stick. So now I'm F Boucheros on most social media. And if it's not me, it's my brother. Does it mean something, Michael Jolie? Is it that name? I don't catch it. Oh, thanks. I feel stupid. I feel like a 3 years old got catching something. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, thanks. I'm assuming it was like that's a name for WoW, the game. Did you forget my name? Yeah. Okay, well. Oh, I think I got it now. I'm slow for those things. Maybe if it was in French, it was easier. But I won't get trolled in French. I'm lucky I have you then. Okay, so like a very good news is it is stream. Meaning yeah. Oh, okay. Well, you know, like if you got a strange name, I may skip it. You know, like sometimes when you're young, you think like your name is cool because it's like a killer or something, whatever, and like that's fine. You know, you're playing, it's a game, and then like you get stuck with that alias, and then you start following more serious stream. I don't mind. I will tweak their name, and it was kind of hard to say for me, that name anyway. But yeah, I was curious also when he asked me to say his name. I was like, maybe I met him before and like he told me his name was Dave or something, you know, and then like I forgot. Like a lot of people are calling me Frank, and it's not my alias. They just remember that I'm Frank. I'm always very thankful for that, but you know, a lot of people call me FB also because they struggle to say the last part of my name. Yeah, like if you maybe you just don't want me to grow. I'm stuck with 8 viewers, and then like when I can reach out more, then you're just cutting them out, huh? I know what you're doing now. I don't think you should be worried about my stream. Door control. I like it. Don't release the Kraken. Oh, you know what? Since it's date, so now let's have some fun. So meaning like if I say I want to list whatever is smaller than, can I do that? Whoa. Oh yeah, Control Shift, I'm in Linux. 08, and then let's put today's, it's 07. So if I do this, it didn't like it. What's wrong? Okay, didn't like the this thing. So let's go see how do you do those things. So what's that one? Advanced, okay, advanced is cool. I thought I had, so regex, we got it. Started query language. Oh, I already had that one, right? Nope. Tabular operator counts. Where I thought they had like string operator and start like that. Oh damn, no, I didn't wanna... Ah. I wanna answer that questions later. Alright, you know what, I will... Because now we found the answer of that thing. Let's put it in my notes. So now I can close it. Where? Oh, date time? I need to put the date time? Maybe? Let's try it. What's I'm not sure what's KQL, Brett. Was it capital A, capital it was all lowercase. Oh yeah, no, that thing is a string. Then let's... that won't work. So we need to put the date time here too. And I shouldn't put date time, I should put just date maybe. Didn't work either. Oh. Kusto Query. Oh. Oh, so you're familiar with the Kusto Query Language? I like it, but I'm pretty new with it. I need to learn more about that. I need to learn more about it. So I don't need the equal here. I know it will be working. Oh yeah, log analytics. Yeah. I would like to have their error message a little bit more. So that was working. Nope. Yeah. The error message is bad. So maybe date time is not yet available. What I'm trying to do is, because I think you missed the part where I was explaining the today's project, like I would like to get all the resources that have a tag expired on with a date that is expired. If there's no resources with the tag expired, nothing will, should return nothing. And the goal is to have some kind of automation process, so probably Azure Automation or maybe Azure Function, I don't know yet, that run that script to clean out your subscription. So, and it's very important for me that if you put no tags, then nothing happened. And I was hoping, because I could do like a Azure AZ group list and then loop through them, but then like it's my code that is looping. With this thing is Azure that is looping and return me only the resources I need. That's why I'm kind of using this instead. Though, and the problem is tags, it's kind of a list. So maybe here I should do, I think I didn't check, so maybe I could do instead do something like this. Will that work? Like the first one kind of thing? What if I say when it's different and nothing? Okay, so well, that's why I was doing the toString, right? So it returned a value. So and then I convert a string to a string or a and then like I put the on an expired on, that's the tag name I put. We have right now only one resources with that. The thing is also, like graph query doesn't catch resource group. That's unfortunate, because that way I could delete tons of resources, though it's more dangerous because maybe I want to keep maybe I want to keep the storage but would like to delete everything inside. So I think with that automation, I will need to have some kind of easy tools that you could run. Say, you know what, apply that tag to, and find a way to catch a bunch of resources. But that's still, so this is, I thought it was like, if I'm doing this, is like give me back the first one, right? But did it work? Like, this is working. This one, like when I say toString and compare to nothing, it worked. It returned this. Or should I say then? this. No. Oh, I didn't have. Oh, it's 5. Well. Well, we did progress a lot. I need to stop because I need to jump on a call very soon, and I have stuff. But it's interesting, and so like any good link, Brett, that I could learn a little bit more about the query and things. Let's put that query function, that query that works in the notes. Who's streaming? Let's raid someone. Who's streaming right now? Nobody? Nobody? Not nobody that I follow. Oh, shall we go to Tulio? Oops, what's happening? Got a new follower. Hey, NTPixel, thanks for the following. I will add you right away in the notes. That was a good day. That was a good day. I was hoping to. Well, I knew I had some time to learn that query language. Let's go on Tulio. It's they're streaming right now. I need to. They have a bunch of friends. So if you watch the keynotes of Tulio yesterday, at the end of the keynote they had the. Let's go in this mode. At the end of the keynote, they were having a bunch of people jumping around on the keynotes, and if you'll notice, there's tiny dragons in the middle. So that's my buddy Kim. So she's a PMM working with me, and of course, like in the 3 first minutes of the keynotes, they talk about the fake boyfriend demo from Chloe Conon, who's also a cloud advocate like me. So thanks, Brett. I will put that in the ref so it's saved. And my dog is creeping me out. So let's go raid Tulio. Doesn't make any sense to raid a big conference like that, but let's have some fun. So great. Without more stuff, I will just say see you on a Friday, guys. Bye bye.